Ramesh Iyer, and this is my wife.
I'm Radhika. We've just moved into lovely villa, Adarsh Sanctuary, and in fact, this beautiful place accentuated, I would call a true magic. Both Kishore and Jyoti spun with Voxel. And Ramesh?
Yes, I fully agree. This was one of our dream, which we wanted to make this house, and the dream came true because of JKs. I call them JKs, Jyoti and Kishore of Voxel.
In fact, when we started doing this entire house and we said we want to design this house, one of the things I was telling Ramesh is we just didn't want another cliche modern house. We wanted something which is very close to our heart. We wanted something which is traditional, at the same time very, very Indian. And of course, Ramesh is a very, very difficult to please client, and so he went on with his own ideas. And both Jyoti and Kishore were very patient, and they took our dream and ideas, I would say, millions of times ahead. It's come out so beautifully. It's beyond what we dreamed, and every place, every area, every nook is so very beautiful. It's so close to heart. At the same time, it's warm, comfortable, and super easy to maintain.
We were so happy to give this big project to them, and the way they executed is just really awesome.
And in fact, after moving in, we were one of the first few residents who moved in. And after seeing the way this entire rendering, which was from the design stage to reality, came out, it in fact was saying that, normally you say, oh, I seen the render, and will it come the same way? But actually, it didn't come the same way. It came 1,000 times better than the render.
Beyond the renders.
working now, so they're no longer a startup. I think they're very, very super established, and they have established this credibility by their hard work and their super creativity.
And our best wishes to JKs. Do
All
great,
the best.
come great.